Trapper of the year, bitch, I can't stop, can't stop. Trap so stanky, you can smell it through the package.
Yo, what are you saying? What are you up to tonight? Just how you're trying to take over the world? What's good? Down to hit the runs? Man, you don't even gotta ask me. You get my stuff together, I'll meet you down to the spot. Keys to the 6. J's because I don't roll in flip-flops? Because you shouldn't be driving in flip-flops? Like, how are you gonna run in flip-flops, man? Like, seriously, how are you gonna run in flip-flops? And tire shine for that wet. Come on! You gotta leave your tires standing out. Because when you're looking this good, you can't show up with no ashy tires. Ooh-wee! Let me give you guys a little cold start where I give his tires a little shine. Don't get jealous when you hear this. She sounded sweet. Oh, she sounded sweet, yes. Woohoo! Wait, I got a little something for you guys. Check this out. Don't act like you guys didn't hear that little blap blap or that little blap blap from that exhaust. Jeez, did you see me pull up? Gotta bring that back. Bring that back. Bring it back. Damn, I look good. I'm feeling myself right now. Yeah. Damn, I look good. Yo, don't be a hater, yo. Like and subscribe. I'm feeling myself right now. Damn, I look Now back to our regular scheduled program. Always the first one here, because you can't beat that V8. Boarding down the street, helicopter in the air. Look who finally showed up. This is why they call them drops.
Alright, now you can drop it. You drop it? You didn't drop it. Oh shit, damn.
We couldn't even make it out of the parking lot before this happened. Every day.
Step on my lip, man.
He stepped on the left.
I literally hear you, bro.
More beamers, more problems. See? How do you feel? You started a new car show, right? Don't worry, guys. We made it out fine.
Well, now you got my money down. You got what you want to. I'm on your ass now. What they do to you, man? They fucked me up, man. They threw me on the ground and we ain't doing bad.
It just is what it is, man. Just another day on these Toronto streets. That shit didn't stop us from going out. Hope you guys enjoyed that little short video of a night out. If you guys would like to know what happened in the pullover, let me know in the description below. Alright, I'll catch you guys on the next episode. Alright, I heard the tip. So.